Designed and built in the USA. It's been that way since we opened our doors in 1948. I like to spend a lot of time out on our factory floor. A couple things happen when we're out here. One, we get to see the product that we make here in the United States that's going to go directly out to our customers and make sure that it's done right. The other thing that we learn being out here is what do our team members on our line need to be successful. If there's a problem and they need resources or they need an obstacle moved out of their way, that's what we're here for. Because when our folks on our line are productive, making the best products with the best material that the US has to offer, a Bretford customer wins. Last year at Bretford, we had a conversation. And what we were talking about was really simple. What's the best thing for our customer when it comes to warranty? We came out with the 7-year no-nonsense warranty. And what that means to the customer is if something breaks, if it's not the way that you originally bought it, you can return it to us, we will replace it, or we will refund your money. Because we know when you combine the best components and materials from the United States with the best United States labor, that you're going to get the best product. And who wins in the end? Bretford's customer.